Hello Witblox makers. Today we are going to build a widely used mechanism used in oil extraction, aka the oil rig mechanism. The primary function of the rig is to push the rod up and down within the oil well, so that oil is pumped out for further processing. The main parts of the oil rig mechanism are as follows. Prime mover, with a motor and gearbox. Crank, rotary to linear. Samson post, mechanism base. Walking beam, joined to the pump rod. Sucker rod, pumps out the oil. Let's build it. First take 4 1-hole elbows and 2 5-hole beams and join them in a rectangle as shown. Take 2 1-hole beams, 2 BO shafts, a motor attached to a motor driver blocks, and join them. Take a 2-hole elbow, a 3-hole elbow, and a male-to-male coupler, and join them. Repeat this step to make another part. Now take the part made previously, and join all 3 of them as shown. Take 2 male-to-male couplers, for 2-hole elbows, 4 5-hole beams, 2 1-hole elbows, and 3 1-hole beams and join them. Repeat this step to make another part like it. Take 2 5-hole beams, and join the parts together. Also join the part connected with motor and motor driver blocks. For the walking beam, take 4 5-hole beams, 2 1-hole elbows, a BO shaft, a 3-hole elbow and 2 male axle couplers and join them together. Next take 2 BO shafts and a medium-size axle and attach it on the previous part as shown. Attach the walking beam to the mechanism base with the help of 2 BO shafts. Take two 5-hole beams, a 3-hole elbow, a 1-hole elbow, a 1-hole beam, an coupler, a male axle coupler, a B-O shaft and a small size axle and join them together. Repeat this step to make another part like it. Attach these parts to the motor assembly as shown. Add 2 male axle couplers to the assembly as shown. Now join a big size axle and 2 B-O shafts as shown. Now take 2 1-hole beams, an coupler, a 1-hole elbow, a 3-hole elbow, a 2-hole elbow and join them together. Attach this part to the main assembly as shown. Next take a 1-hole elbow, 30 mm axle, 2 B-O shafts, a 90 mm axle, a male axle coupler, and join them together. Attach it to the mechanism as shown. This is the sucker rod part. Take 2 1-hole beams, 4 5-hole beams, and 4 3-hole elbows, and join them. This shall be our oil well model. Take 2 blocks holders and a battery holder, and attach it to the mechanism. Create the mechanism's logic by joining the power blocks and the motor driver blocks. It's time to test the oil rig mechanism. Push the switch on and voila, our oil rig mechanism is ready.